Hello, welcome to Will's RC Garage. This is the ECX Torment that we broke last week. Have the replacement bit here from Hearts Models. Very quick service, first class postage, and just going to go ahead and camera and show you how to fit the new control arm. If you know, I've never done anything like this. You look at it, it can be quite daunting sometimes. Taking the wheel off, and this is the steering arm, so that comes off. Next is the, you won't be able to see it from that angle, sorry. There's a X bolt in there. Be very careful when you're taking these out and putting them back in and everything, because the plastic's going to be a bit weak. Take the shock off. Hands in the way, sorry about that. Stay in there. Get that off. Let it stay in there. Get that off as well. Don't lose it. Always best to have a box hanging around. This is a good time if you've been giving your truck some pounding. This is the time to check that everything's straight, everything else like that. As you can see there, a couple of hard landings on there, and that bit there where it broke. I'm going to need something thin to put in the hole there. Push that through like that, and what should happen is pull the pin out like that. Check that the pin's not bent after you crash. Looks to be straight to me. You just roll it over a flat surface. I'll do that over here. Yeah. That doesn't seem to be bent, so you can reuse that one. You keep your arm, making sure it's the right way around, like that. Mirror image basically. And you get your replacement pin. You get it into position like that. It's quite a loose fit, but it can't fall out the bottom here. And this bit here, when it closes up to there, holds everything in place, so it can't just fall out. Okay, so that's your arm on there. Fold the bumper bit, everything back up, so it holds everything in place. There's your arm stood in there, nice and free. Make sure things are free and they can move freely when you put things back on your car, because if they don't, your suspension binds up and things like that, and the car acts all weird and you wonder what's happening to it. As you can see, it's all still together in there. And then you just put your screws in to hold everything in place like you did when you removed it all. You notice here you've got a lock nut, a 9-lock nut. So just hold that with your thumb. It sinks into its holder down in there somewhere. There it is. Got a screw. And that just holds that for you. You get it up. So it's tight. Just like that there. And put a bit back in there like that. Start putting your screws back in the reverse order that they came out. Don't do them up too tight, because you've got that plastic that can strip out. If you strip both of these screws out, you're going to need a replacement chassis. You don't want to do that. Everything's seated okay. Go ahead and put the screws back. Okay, once you've got your arm on, all the screws are back in where they should go. Around here you've got, that's the where the steering servo comes out of. Your bottom arm comes up like this, and secured with a pin and a tiny screw just there, and should be okay. Just put the rest together. If you've done it this way and you've taken your steering arm off, remember to put that back in there like that, because when it's there, you can't get it in. Put your pin that you saved from earlier, goes in there. Have fun lining it up. Goes like that. Goes nice and snug. It's on the right way round. And then looking at the bottom of the truck here, you got a little screw there. Just put this one. Let's see. Right, you've got your the screw in there. I think what that does, it just expands the plastic to hold the pin in, otherwise it just fall out again. And your steering arm, and that's literally just a push fit on there, and a push fit just there like that. And then you make sure you still got your hex nuts and your and the pins to hold them on. Drop it on camera, and it will always go wrong if you do it on camera. Never goes right. Just like that, and the wheel goes on there. And then get your wheel. Put that on. So that's your ECX all up and running again. Ready for the next bit of torture you can hand out. Just one word. This is the cover for the waterproof cover for the servo and for the receiver. And it does seem to work. It doesn't get any water in there or anything like that, and it's kept it dry so far. That's even without it being having any kind of seal around it or anything like that. So after you've done that, make sure you've got no bits left in your box. Everything's on. All the wheels rotate okay, pointing in roughly the same direction. Like that. There you go. Until the next time, take care, bye bye.